Clarke Mig 102NG no-gas Mig Welder is ideal for automotive and general fabrication use. This neat, compact welder does not require a gas cylinder, instead using flux-cored steel welding wire, a type of wire which produces its own gas shroud as it burns. Producing a maximum welding power of 90 amps, this machine can weld mild steel up to 4 mm thick, whilst providing optimum performance and reliability. The Mig 102NG is supplied complete with a welding torch, two 0.9 mm torch tips, one earth clamp, one head shield, one mini spool of flux cord wire, and a dual-purpose wire brush and hammer. The professional torch has a full on-off control, and multiple power settings permit very accurate welding to suit the thickness of steel you are working on. It also features a variable electronic wire speed control with turbofan cooling for greater efficiency. The Mig 102NG is supplied in a tough protective casing and incorporates full thermal overload protection. A wide range of Clarke consumables are also available for this welder, including tips, shrouds, anti-spatter spray, and wire. Clarke accessories include welding cards and clamps, plus Clarke safety equipment such as gauntlets, blankets, screens and aprons, as well as a large range of arc-activated head shields. These give you the convenience of clear visibility when aligning the welding torch, then full protection when the arc is struck. Many head shields also have an angle grinder clear function, and some are solar-powered. Requiring a 16-amp 230-volt supply, the Clarke Mig 102NG 90-amp no-gas MIG welder will give you many years of great welding service.